This is the stone that Shane and I have been cutting. It appears to be a compressed shell bed, and I'm not really super good on colors, but it looks like it's got some red and grays and blues and whites in it. We're trying to cut it and cut this into a rectangular square, and then we're gonna, when we make a couple more cuts, we're gonna turn it sideways and cut in this dimension and get like some 2-inch thick pieces and see how they look. We wore out our wire, so we got to make another wire and put on the saw. That's the
yeah, the wire is
worn out.
it's worn out. Let me see if it will focus on it. The beads have worn all the way down to the plastic. All right.
Okay, this is some of the stone we were cutting, and we stacked it up here to see how it would work for retainer walls or garden features, but I think it would actually work pretty good, so.
Yeah, yeah, it looks like if it could get stacked up that way. It has some flat edges. It could get stacked the other way, very deep, used as flagstones.
That's right.
Stepping stones. Yeah.
Okay.
All right, good.